One of the questions that I also get fairly regular is what specific firearm would you like to have in an emergency situation? As you can hear, we are currently at the shooting range here in Meyerton, or close to Meyerton, so I decided that that would be a good time to answer that question. So yeah, let's get into it while the shots are ringing out. Yeah, okay, so for my first choice for emergency situations would be a handgun, either a pistol or a revolver. I'm more of a pistol guy because you've got a higher capacity as far as ammo is concerned, like probably that. So yeah, I prefer the pistol. I would take a pistol 9mm or anything like that. My second choice for home defense would be a shotgun. The mental capacity or the mental stress that you get when you hear a shotgun rack is enough to set anybody on their way. And the fact that you can, if you're using SSG or LSG, up to 9mm type of rounds coming your way, so definitely that would be my second choice for self-defense or home defense. And then the third one would be a rifle. Rifle gives you the capacity to hit a little bit farther, more accurate, and down to the point. So a rifle would definitely be my next choice. And then obviously, if I had the jackpot or trifecta, I would definitely choose a AR type of weapon, high capacity, quick rounds that you can launch. So that would be my 4 weapons for self-defense: a revolver or a handgun, a pistol, then a shotgun, a rifle for more accurate shots at a longer distance, and then a AR type of a rifle that has got a magazine capacity up to 30 to shoot 7 rounds down range. So that would be my choice.